Hey guys, welcome back to the Delph Stack. This is how do I prevent Facebook Messenger from starting automatically. So guys, to do this process, what you could try to do is simply go to the start menu or taskbar, right click on it, and go to the task manager. Now, over here on the task manager tab, you should be able to see here start apps. So go ahead and click on that and you should be able to see here all of the application that you have. And of course, if you have the messenger application into your device or Windows, you would just simply right click on it and make sure it is on disabled and not enabled. So guys, I just use the Microsoft Edge as an example, but of course, if you have the messenger app, it should be right over here. Now, if that doesn't work, what you could try to do is you could just simply go to the start menu and then go ahead and go through the settings. Now, here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go to the apps category on the left side, and you should be able to see here start up as well, as you can see over here. So select this one and should be able to see here multiple application, and of course go find your messenger app here and make sure that this one is turned off so it will not be automatically open once you start up your Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.